Hello everyone, welcome to Laravel Relational Management System project tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete data from database in Laravel. So here you can see we have some food data, and what we are going to do is we're going to first have a delete option here, and we'll have a delete button, and once someone click on that delete button, then that data will be deleted. So for it, let's go back to our code and we'll go to our resource, then views. Inside views we have the admin folder, and the inside admin folder here you can see showput.play.php. So over here, what we are going to do is that after the image column, we are going to have one more th for the delete button. So let us say here delete. Then we'll go inside the for each loop, and in the for each loop after the image td, we are going to mention one more td here. In this td, we are going to have a anchor tag. So inside this anchor tag, we're going to say here delete, and here we're going to mention a class, bootstrap class. Let's say the class will be btn, it will be danger. If we now set this, then if we just refresh here, there you can see we have the delete button. And what we want is that, first of all, when you click on delete button, we want to see a pop-up over here that are you sure to delete this. For it, what we need to do is, inside this anchor tag, we're going to say on click equal to, it will be return confirm, then we'll give to first bracket, then we need to give to single quotation, not double quotation, give to single quotation, and here we're going to say, are you sure to delete this? Let's set this, and let me just refresh here. And if we now click on delete, it will show us a pop-up, are you sure to delete this? And if we click cancel, it will not delete it. And if we click OK, we want to delete that data. So right now we need to write the URL inside this href. So we'll give to second bracket, then we'll say here URL, then to first bracket like this, then we'll give to single quotation. So we need to give it a name. Let's say here delete underscore food. You can name it anything. So right now we need to create a route for this. But before that, what we need to do is that for deleting a data, we need to get that specific ID. So here you can see using $data, where I want to get the title, details, and price. So the same way, using the $data, we'll also be able to get the ID as well. So we just say here $data ID. Let me just show you. If we now save it, then refresh here and click on this delete button and click on OK. There you can see it in the URL, it will say the ID, which is 4. If we click on different food image, different delete button, then click on OK, it will show us different ID here. So right now we're going to write a route for this. So for it, let's go to our route, the web.php, and here let me just copy this, then I'm going to paste it here. The route will be get, and the route name will be delete underscore food. We use the admin controller, and let's say the function name will be the same thing, which will be delete underscore food. And here you can see that from here we are sending the ID. So we also need to cache the ID over here. So for it, we'll give a slash, then we'll give to second bracket, and we're going to say here ID. So using this $ID, we'll be able to get this ID. So right now we're going to write a function delete underscore food in the admin controller. So let's go to our app HTTP controllers, and here you can see admin controller. So here we're going to say public function delete underscore food, then to first bracket we need to say here $ID. In order to cache the ID, then we'll give to second bracket like this. So here this ID will come from here. Okay, so right now we need to declare a variable. Let's say here $data equal to, we need to mention the model name, our table model name, which is food, and after that we'll give to double clone, then we need to say here find to first bracket $ID, and this $ID is this all, and make sure that you have added the put model name at the top of your controller. So here we want to delete that data for the specific ID. So here we're going to say $data, this arrow sign, we say delete. So this will delete the data for a specific ID. So after deleting the data, we want to send the user back to the same place. So we'll say here return redirect. So here we'll give to first bracket, then this arrow sign, we'll say here back. So after deleting the data, we'll send the user back to the same place. So let's save this and let's go back to our browser. Let me just refresh here. And let's say we want to delete this so for it, here right now I'll click on delete, and if I click on cancel, it will not delete anything. But right now if you click on OK, there you can see it's reloading and that data is deleted. So this is how you can delete data in Laravel. I hope this was easy for you. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.